Back today with a work video. As you see, I've been cleaning up my engine bay. Before we put everything back in, we're gonna go ahead and paint it, clean up all the wiring, just get it real nice and right. But most importantly, MaxpeedingRod sent me a coilover kit, so that's what we're gonna focus on today. Let's get these coilovers installed. Like they got the brand right there, and they got it right here. So big shout out to MaxpeedingRod. I can't wait to get them installed. Let's get to it. And they do include an instruction manual, so if you want to do some coilovers but you're not sure how to do it, they got you covered. Fit for Ford, 94 to 2004 Mustang. Exactly what we need. Everything that we need. Okay, y'all, and just a close up. You see, I got a big thick spacer on my tire. People was giving me so much crap about the spacers on my tire, but I've abused this car. Took it to the track, burnout pits, drove it hundreds of miles back and forth after the track to the track. And yeah, I haven't had no problems. They still doing their thing. So basically, my suspension setup right now, I got E-Block drag springs on it, as you see. That's what a lot of people told me to get. So. And then over here we got some adjustable shocks. You go up and down, twist this knob. So I did have a little slight suspension job on my car, nothing major. So the rest of the shocks gotta come out from the trunk. But we got it here. Them goodies. We'll go ahead and get the shocks out. So now that we got this out, these are KYB shocks, and like I mentioned before, the E-Block springs. So. Okay, y'all, so these are adjustable coilovers, which means that we can screw it down, we can screw it up, depending on how high or low we want the car. Same with this piece, you can make it up or down. My car was extremely low before, and at one point, it was really high. It looked goofy. I do like my car on the lower side, so we're gonna find the sweet spot. Not too low, but not too high. Taking the tape measure and measuring where they're at, just so both sides can match. When I gotta go to the other side, so you don't want one side high and one side low. So my sweet spot on my tape measure is 1 3/4 inch. So that's what we're gonna see. I got my spring in there, as you see. Once I lower the jack down, it'll fall into place right here, and this will fall into place with the bolt right here. So we almost done. Okay, y'all, so this is how it looks now. It's not too low, it's not too high. You can see like the tread marks from when I had the car lowered before. It was so low that it was rubbing against the frame. So that's what these little scratches is from. But I like it. I think it looks good. I'm gonna get the other side done and front done. Now that I got both sides done, that side is looking a little bit too low, but that's the good thing about these shops. They are adjustable and it's not too hard to adjust. So I'll probably bring it up just a little bit, just because it's yeah, it's real close right there. But now that I got these off, you know I don't like to let nothing go to waste, so this gives me suspension for my T-side. So yeah, if y'all looking for a coilover kit that's not too difficult to install, MaxpeedingRod is who y'all want to look for. I got a promo code. I'm gonna put it somewhere on the screen, but yeah, make sure y'all go check